from where you live.
And we still have some fairly quiet conditions out there. This noontime hour, we've got mostly cloudy skies, maybe a little bit of some light drizzle and some snow flurry activity across the area. That is it for now, but things are drastically going to change as we get into this afternoon. Anytime after 2-3 o'clock, we're going to be tracking Winter Storm Elliott. When it has a name, you know it's pretty serious. We do have temperatures right now. We're in the 30s, anywhere from 34 to 37 degrees, and we will see those temperatures drastically drop. They will be crashing anytime after 4 or 5 o'clock. Once that Arctic front moves through here, we're going to see those numbers really take a nosedive, and that's really going to set us up for some tricky traveling across the area, along with the snow showers following this Arctic front. So you can see right now we've got everybody under a winter storm warning, and this does go into effect for 3 o'clock this afternoon through 7 o'clock tomorrow. But really the cold, the wind will be here through the holiday weekend. So we are looking at anywhere from 2 to 6 inches of snow. Wind gusts, they will be picking up later tonight. Up to 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts are possible. So that means some very dangerous wind chills. We could be as cold as 35 below zero. Here is the front. It is just at our doorstep, and you can see a little bit of some heavier bands of snow. So we expect that to track through here anytime after 3-4 o'clock. And we're already looking at 3:30. Possibly, this model is showing already some accumulating snow, anywhere from 3/10 up to just over an inch, and that's at 3:30 this afternoon. But we're going to see most of it for our commute home. It's going to begin, you can see this is at 6:30, already picking up 4 inches of snow possible for Rensselaer, stretching down to 3 inches there for especially the western sections of the community as the cold front works its way through. So this will continue to spread eastward, and we could have some heavy bands of snow pushing through here. Could have some blowing snow with these winds, and the snow could come down 1 inch per hour, maybe even a little higher than that. So it's going to be treacherous for our commute home this evening, anytime after 5, 7, 8 o'clock even. The wind gusts will be picking up. You can see where we're at already by 7:30 this evening. We're up to around 32 miles an hour, and it gets even worse, up to around 40 miles an hour as we get into our Friday morning. So we are talking about some dangerous wind chills. We're going to drop in temperatures and feels like temperatures this evening. Around 4 o'clock, we're still going to be feeling like 30, 32, but then by 4:30, 5 o'clock, this is showing 4 o'clock already here. So we're already looking at these temperatures really taking a nosedive rather quickly, and that's what's going to cause some problems on those roadways, because we could have any wet roads freeze over rather quickly. So that's going to cause some slippery road conditions, some hazardous driving. Then you've got the snowfall, which could be blowing, drifting snow with zero visibility possible. That's through our evening commute. Look what's happening for tomorrow morning. This is what it's going to feel like out there. This is life-threatening cold. This is dangerous. We're talking about 33, 34 degrees, 35 below zero. That's what it's going to feel like. So everyone really needs to take precautions. You need to bring those animals inside. All animals, everybody feels frostbite and hypothermia. That's animals and people. So check on your neighbors, bring the pets inside, bring those livestock animals out of the wind and the cold. This is really serious. In fact, take a look at our overnight lows. Already for tonight, we are down to 5 below. Those are the actual air temperatures. For tomorrow, in the single digits, and we're still dealing with those very cold and dangerous wind chills. Futurecast showing, here's that icy mix line as that Arctic front works its way through. Everybody's seeing the snow showers. This is showing 2 o'clock. This might be a little early for us, but you can see some heavier bands. Everybody's seeing the snow and the very windy conditions. 4:30 this afternoon, we're talking about just in a few hours. It looks like the snow will begin to taper off after midnight, 1 a.m. We're going to be mostly cloudy for tomorrow. Still a chance for maybe some scattered flurries around. The big story will be the very cold air and those dangerous wind chills. We'll be dealing with that through Christmas Day. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast then for today. Get ready for later this afternoon. Through our commute home, we're looking at rain, snow, a little bit of ice possible. We could have a flash freeze with those temperatures taking a nosedive and those very windy conditions. Again, those wind gusts could be up to 50 miles per hour. Friday still going to be very cold with a high of only 2. Look at those morning lows, sub-zero temperatures. Finally, by Christmas Day, we're looking at mostly sunny skies, quiet, still very cold, and then we'll see a gradual warm up